Welcome back to IF Global Management Training. If you're looking to supercharge your project management and team collaboration, you're in for a treat. Today, in this series we're diving into 3 powerful tools that can transform the way you work: the Kanban Board, the RACI Matrix, and daily stand-up meetings. Each of these tools offers a unique approach to enhancing productivity and clarity, whether you're managing complex projects or just trying to stay on top of your daily tasks. First, in this video we'll explore the Kanban Board, a visual management tool that helps you track tasks and workflow in a clear, intuitive way. Next, we'll break down the RACI Matrix, which clarifies roles and responsibilities to prevent overlap and confusion. And finally, we'll discuss daily stand-up meetings, a quick and effective method to keep your team aligned and address any blockers swiftly. Stick around to discover how these strategies can be seamlessly integrated into your projects to boost efficiency and drive project success. Let's kick things off with the Kanban Board, a visual powerhouse that can revolutionize your workflow. Imagine having a dynamic board where you can see every task laid out in columns like "to do," "in progress," and "done." This tool not only helps you keep track of where each task stands but also makes it easier to spot bottlenecks and optimize your workflow. We'll guide you through setting up your Kanban board so you can start visualizing and managing your tasks more effectively. Remember to stay connected so you don't miss our next video, which will be the RACI Matrix, a tool designed to eliminate confusion and enhance accountability within your team. The RACI Matrix helps you clearly define who is responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed for each task or deliverable. This clarity ensures that everyone knows their role and responsibilities, reducing overlap and ensuring smoother project execution. We'll show you in our later video how to create and use a RACI matrix to streamline your project management, study for your PMP exam, or enhance team coordination. Let's start with Kanban Board, as this video dedicated to it. Kanban Board is based on tasks represented by a card that moves from one column to the next as it progresses through the workflow. This visual representation makes it easy to see the status of tasks at a glance. Okay, let's understand how to create and use Kanban Board. If you are unfamiliar with Kanban Board or have never created one before, feel free to use our simple guide. 1. Choose your board. Start by selecting a Kanban Board tool that suits your needs. Whether it's a physical board with sticky notes or a digital tool like Trello or Jira, pick one that fits your team's workflow. 2. Create your cards. Write down each task on a card. Include essential details such as deadlines, assigned team members, and any relevant notes. The more information on the card, the easier it is to track the progress. 3. Define your columns. Set up columns that reflect your workflow stages. While the basic columns are "to do," "in progress," and "done," you can customize them based on your specific need of your project or process. For instance, you might add columns like "review" or "testing" if those steps are part of your project. 4. Prioritize your tasks by arranging the cards in the "to do" column based on priority. This helps your team focus on the most critical tasks first. Also, conduct frequent reviews and adjust the priorities to ensure the most important work gets done on time. 5. Move cards across columns. As work progresses for each column, the cards move from one column to the next. This movement helps track the progress and visualize the current state of each tasks. 6. Manage work in progress, WIP. Limiting the work in progress is crucial to maintaining a smooth workflow. The principle is to limit the number of tasks in each column, particularly in the "in progress" stage, to avoid overloading the team. When you set the maximum number of tasks in each stage at one time, you can prevent bottlenecks and keep the team focused on completing existing tasks before taking on new ones. 7. Review and improve. Regularly review the board to identify any bottlenecks or areas for improvement. Adjust your workflow or processes as needed based on these insights. This will help you separate what works and what needs improvement, in order to refine your process and enhance overall efficiency. 8. Incorporate feedback loops. Encourage the team to provide feedback about the Kanban board setup and workflow and any challenges or suggestions for improving the board. Adapting the feedback loop ensures that the board remains a valuable tool for your team. Okay, let's summarize everything we learned about how to use the Kanban board. Each task is placed in the To-Do column first. As work begins, move the card to the In Progress column. Once completed, it should be shifted to the Done column. This movement helps track progress and visualize the current state of tasks. It is a simple yet effective visual system. It also helps the team understand what needs attention and what's already been completed. Okay. If you found this video on Kanban board helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest tips and tools for boosting productivity and managing projects effectively. Feel free to share this video with your team or anyone who could benefit from it. Together, you can transform how you work. And if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with Kanban board, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Okay, let's get in about the benefits of using a Kanban board. Kanban board is a valuable tool for any team looking to enhance their workflow and productivity. The benefits of implementing a Kanban board offers several key benefits. 1. Boosting productivity. One of the primary advantages of a Kanban board is its ability to enhance productivity. Visualizing tasks gives you a clear overview of what's being worked on, task status, and what's still pending. This clarity helps prevent bottlenecks and ensures that no task falls through the cracks. 2. Encourages team collaboration. A Kanban board is not just a tool but a collaborative space. It facilitates better team communication as everyone can see the workflow. The team members can see each other's tasks, which fosters communication and coordination. The team interacts with and regularly updates the board to ensure everyone is aligned with project goals and deadlines. 3. Improves workflow. Kanban boards promote a smooth workflow. With tasks visually mapped out, it's easier to prioritize and adjust workloads as needed. You can quickly identify which tasks are getting stuck, and then you will be able to address the issues to maintain a steady workflow promptly. Finally, let's discuss when to adopt a Kanban board. Some of the key scenarios for adopting the Kanban board are: when managing projects that require tracking multiple tasks and stages, Kanban board can be useful. When the team needs to visualize their workflow and manage tasks effectively, they normally use Kanban board. Kanban boards can also be used for process improvement, identifying bottlenecks and optimizing processes through visual management. It can be beneficial if you're looking for a way to manage your goals more effectively in your personal life or work. Thanks for watching our guide on Kanban Boards 101. Do you have questions or need more tips? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Remember, consistency and dedication are your best allies. Good luck on your learning journey, and see you in the next video.